this is how we're going to run the course, right? So the first one, we're going to look at the concepts, right? Pressure, density, mass flow rate. Those are the things that you know before from the prerequisite courses. And then we're going to look at the fluid static, and then we're going to expand the concept. We're going to look at the properties. So the concept here refer to the properties. And then we're going to look at the fluid static, and after that we're going to have some quiz. So when I did my lecture, I'm going to give you quiz every day, right? So if there is a 5 week here, you're going to have how many quiz? 10 quiz, and each will take about 0.5%. 0.5% today, another 0.5% for the next lecture, right? So that you should attend my lecture, right? It's not because this quiz just to help you uh, understand, hopefully, the thing that I teach in class. The next, in week 6, we're going to look at the non-viscous flow, right? So we're going to look at the Bernoulli equations. I think some of you have known the Bernoulli equation when you rewrite it using the energy balance. And then we're going to look at the some momentum analysis, where you're going to use the equation of motion, the same equation that you use in dynamics, right? And then we're going to have the online test. Just now, one of your friend asking about when the test will be carried out, Muhammad Afiq, right? FA 19030. So the midterm test will be in week 6. So I don't know when it will take place, but it will be in week 8. This is the plan by the universities previously, and due to the situation right now, we cannot implement that in week 8. So we want to make it at the earlier weeks. I'm going to do the midterm date in week 6, right? So, and after that, we're going to have the second part of the course. We're going to look at the application part of it, right? For the fluid in motion, this is more practical situation. We're going to look at the fluid flow inside the pipe, and then we're going to look at the um, the velocity distribution and so on. And then we're going to have this method called dimensional analysis in order for you to develop functional relationship between variables when you do the experimental work. And then there will be the rest of the week from week 12 to week 14, I think, right? So you are then do the assignment, right? Presentation and so on. So the assignment will be start from today. Today is the day that you start your assignment, right? So you have to propose uh, a project that involve fluid flow, and that should be complex, in sufficiently complex to be solved, right? So that will be how we're going to run the course. Any question? So I'm going to set the limit here, time here, so that we can use the time more efficient in the class. One more thing, this session is being recorded. I'm going to give you the online recording for this lecture, as well as I'm going to give the slide presentation in the WhatsApp. So I'm going to share the slides as well. Actually, you can find the slide when after this course, after this session finish. You can look at the report. right? So every session there is a report, and then you can go to the report and acquire the slides for these topics. The midterm date will be in week 6. I cannot decide the date yet, right? So I have to discuss with Dr. Norina first, and then we're going to decide the date. So we're going to have the first test will be in the week 6, and any days will be during that week.